As the weather has been so good, the bees are getting a little big for us now. We've put up this cage to protect people walking past, but the time has come where we're going to have to move them. So Peter and Brian have brought some equipment that they're going to transfer the bees into, and then take them home, treat them and put them in proper hives. So this is Brian and Peter preparing to transfer the bees with all their various equipment. Is it just cardboard?
Yes, it's just cardboard. Alright. So we've got the smoker going. What the smoker does is it reduces the panic of the bees, hides pheromones, it makes them think that there's a fire, and they'll go and gorge on some honey and they become a little more docile.
Oh, right.
Okay, so it just keeps the general temper down. Okay.
So they're lifting the lid higher and higher with the aid of some packing so they can remove the comb.
Right, so what we got? There's nothing in this one.
Is that honeycomb?
Yeah,
Is
honeycomb.
there honey in it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
It's got to go.
This is brilliant. Yeah, for a 1.5.
So they're taking the comb away and putting it onto these temporary.
I now see what they're doing. I understand.
Wrap that round there now. Oops.
It sounds a bit mad.
So that's purely pollen then,
That's pollen with a bit of honey on the top there.
right?
And you can see the different colours regarding. The dark one's probably poppy or something like that. And a little bit on there, different colours again. All beautifully made, very fragile.
Yes, come out again.
That's it, just I find I put my hive tube underneath at the same time. I'll show you.
It's just trying to hold it.
No, put your hive.
An urgent exit.
I've got a brush.
Just don't go too much, Brian. Down, Brian. Down your side. Ah, that's it.
tops off.
So we could do with another.
So the bees' nest has now been transferred into the box,
They're now crawling in. which is
and
very
as you
good
can
sign.
see, they're all ready.
What I call the come hither.
We're going into use the entrance to get to the comb. So after a couple of days,
Well, they'll be in there within the next half hour.
they'll be taken away and put in their new home. This is where the bees attached the combs to the wood.
Starting another
So-
one. It'll start another one.
So that's bee super glue, is it?
That's it. Yeah, and there's the start of another one as well. Another frame.
So this is the bees' temporary new home,
Blow them.
and they're slowly making their way.
Stand out the way so that go around the side so that when they fly in.